Welcome to the world of Courtyard house interior design, where timeless elegance meets modern comfort. In this video, we'll explore the art of transforming a simple courtyard into a breathtaking living space that seamlessly blends nature with architecture. So, sit back, relax, and let's embark on this journey of beauty and inspiration. The courtyard house design concept has been cherished for centuries across various cultures. It offers a unique opportunity to bring the outdoors in while maintaining privacy and creating a harmonious living environment. Let's start with the basics. Courtyard houses are characterized by a central open space, often surrounded by the main living areas. These courtyards can be open to the sky or covered with a glass roof, depending on your climate and preferences. One of the key advantages of courtyard houses is the abundant natural light that filters into the living spaces. This creates a warm and inviting atmosphere while reducing the need for artificial lighting during the day. Now, let's explore how designers create cozy seating areas within the courtyard. Comfortable outdoor furniture, lush greenery, and a carefully chosen color palette all play a crucial role in transforming this space into a tranquil oasis. Moving on to the heart of the home, the kitchen and dining area. Courtyard house designs often integrate these spaces with the central courtyard, allowing you to enjoy your meals in a serene and refreshing environment. Imagine cooking a delicious meal while the gentle breeze rustles the leaves of your courtyard garden. It's a truly immersive dining experience that brings you closer to nature. As we move to the bedrooms, you'll notice how courtyard houses prioritize privacy without sacrificing natural light. Large windows and sliding glass doors provide stunning views of the courtyard while maintaining a sense of seclusion. Even the bathroom becomes a sanctuary in a courtyard house. Picture yourself taking a relaxing bath or shower with the sound of a trickling fountain in the background. It's the ultimate in self-care and relaxation. In conclusion, courtyard house interior design is a celebration of the natural world and human creativity coming together. It's a testament to the idea that our homes can be both functional and a source of inspiration.